So yeah, I'm gonna start showing how I made the teeth, this part for the zipper. And yeah, I'm using a 12 centimeter long zipper. 12, and you will need 2 crochet hooks. The yarn is recommending using a 3 or 2.5. So I'm gonna use a 3 on just teeth and go just one up on the red part, this part. So yeah, and yeah, one thing to think when you do the first rows, the teeth's gonna go with the zipper length, but the red or the gum or what do you call it, gonna go with that edge. But it's when the teeth comes together, it's gonna kind of shrink a little bit, so you're gonna go a little bit above the zipper length, about 2 centimeters more, to make sure you have enough space then to make it on. So it's about 15, so I'm gonna go with 17. So I'm gonna do a chain of 17 to begin with. So that and bigger yarn needle, and yeah, gonna take a little bit nicer. Not gonna get it was a knot on that, so yeah, yeah, give it a little bit like so. So start with doing a chain. So begin with a slip knot, like so. Take a hook and just do a chain about 17 centimeters if you're using a zipper that's 15 on this and 12 on the inside, on the zipper part. So yeah, so I'm gonna chain to the length and not any particular main sorry, not particularly how many chains, and then more like the length of the chain is more important in this part. So yeah, see how much is that. It's about right size, a little bit above 17.5, but it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna crochet a couple of rows to give more of a working edge when I'm gonna work it to the actual face mask. So, and just to give a little bit of edge, you can see here on the gums or what it goes, so just to make a little bit more of an impression of the red can show. So I'm gonna chain one as my ghost stitch, or what you can call it, and then just make a couple of rows just to give more of a working edge for the rest of the part. Like so. I've been doing about 2 rows or something, so it's about chain about 3 rows, yeah. And now we're gonna start to come to the actual part, come to the teeth, but yeah. We have the zipper is about 12 centimeters, so you're gonna do a row about 12 centimeters with teeth. So yeah, but first you're gonna do the sides of the teeth. So you're gonna do something called a double stitch. So we're gonna make 2 chains up, so 1 and 2, rotate, and gonna do a double stitch. So loop around like so. So you have that, go around, find the loop and go through, and first stitch and second stitch, and do about 3 of those. So yeah, there, one more. Like so. Yeah, it looks a little bit big now, but it's gonna shrink down a little bit when the teeth comes. So yeah. Important part is this is just to be safe, we make it another one. And then give a reasonable amount of a tail afterwards, because we're gonna use it in sewing it to the zipper later. So about an arm's length should be enough, I think. Yeah, like so. And now we're just gonna change color, and to make sure it's not gonna be shown on this one's now, gonna first go through the loop like so, so it's white on the end there, and gonna tie this together so it's not gonna slip away. So dropped. So make it there. So we're gonna make a little knot here to make sure it's not gonna wander when we working with it. So like so. Solid in. Yeah. Yes, a simple knot. Like so. And now, see, make a little room. You can use your zipper there. Now we're gonna do something called pop stitch. Oh wait, puck-on stitch. I think it's called puck-on stitch. I'm not really sure what it's called, but it's kind of like a pop stitch or puck-on stitch. It's like if you did a couple of double stitches in the same, and then you kind of loop and pop them together in one. So yeah, so gonna do it double stitch. So there, and go through and leave it on. So now we have one double stitch, or almost a double stitch, coming to be a 1.5 stitch, but you're gonna keep that on, and you're gonna do repeat that, so it's 5 stitches, or there are 6 loops on the hook. So yeah, I changed to a smaller needle now because it's gonna make it a little bit nicer, I think, because it's gonna be a little bit tighter from what you can call it in the edges. So yeah, so we're gonna do loop and continue in the same, go through, so you have almost a 1.5 stitch, keep it on like so, and now we have 2 on it, so now it's just 3 more. So repeat through, make sure to only go through 2 there. Now I have 3, now 2 more. 4 and 5. So now we have 5 of this. Looks like a double stitch. You're gonna make this stitch and this stitch. So you're gonna go through all 6 that are on the hook now. So go through, work it, try not to drop it, and like so. Kinda draw it a little bit tight to make the form of the teeth. Then you have the first teeth. So what you're gonna do now is gonna continue this row till you have about 12 centimeters of teeth. What you're gonna remember is you're not gonna begin on this loop here. You're gonna go with the one afterward. So the next pop stitch or puck-on stitch is gonna go in the second stitch here. So I'm gonna continue with the next one. So go through that, leave it on, and continue. There are 2, 3, 4, and 5, and go through all 6 and make it a little bit tight, like so. So because you skip in one, it's gonna get tighter and tighter. It's gonna start to loop, but it will be even tighter if you do it in all of this. So yeah, plus we kind of want this a little bit of a peak between all of them to make a little bit more of the feeling of its teeth and not just pop-on stitches. So yeah, gonna make the third teeth and third stitch now. So remember, not that loop, but the one after it. So there. Like so. And continue making 5 of those, or 4 more. Yeah. That seemed to be about how long I needed to. Or maybe one more. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna change the color now. So, right. Now we're gonna leave good amount of tail to piece it with sewing later, so about that much. Maybe a little bit too much, but yeah, it works. So now we're gonna just finish this side. So we're gonna go through like so, and just finish it off with normal double stitches. So we can, yeah, let's see, just gonna get a good hand of it there. Like so, and just finish it off with a little knot, like so, and give about an arm's length of thread. So just tie this off. And we're done with one side of the teeth side, so like so. And we got when we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about 12 stitches. It's with this size section. Can I get exactly as it's about 12 centimeters too, so it fits pretty nice on the zipper now. So to fest this to the zipper, open it up first, make it a little bit easier to handle. Gonna find just the white long string first. So, and you need your jar needle, preferably with a little bit of a pointier edge than a dull edge. And you're just gonna sew it on, and when you sew it on, you're gonna spread it out and give shape to the teeth. So yeah, just gonna thread this. Hopefully I can do it in one go. Yeah, it seems to have gone good. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna sew this onto the zipper. So I'm gonna choose to just gonna make my own masks reference to see. Yeah. Alright, it's not really depending, but I think I'm gonna start with the end on this side. So first, I'm gonna thread it from both layers like so. Try to match. Yeah. And you're gonna go like a loop. Try to, yeah, like so. So let's go through on the back. Round kind of the chain top on the teeth. So through this hole here, or this one here, and make the first stitch, or the first, yeah, I think you get it, like so. And then when you're gonna do it, you're gonna leave enough to the zipper to open and close. So you're gonna have about 0.5 centimeters or a little bit of the white, of the black on the zipper to show, to make it easier for the zipper to open up and close. So gonna try to match it, and gonna go by eye to get it as straight as possible. So you're gonna follow the chain. So the next one is this one here. Let's go through. Like so. And the next one is going to come up. Yeah. It's going to come up here. So, like so. So like so. Now we're just gonna, yeah, now you see it's going through, not catching on. Now we're just gonna fine up the back side more. So leave the white on for now. and you can kind of try to nice up the edges on the inside too. So now we're just gonna kind of sew like we did on this one over, kind of make a little bit of details on that side. So now we're just gonna sew on the back side. You can kind of try to sneak this thread in, and maybe actually shorten this a little bit because we don't really need it, but like there it should be. So yeah. So now stitch this more of a normal sewing stitch if you sew by hand. Like so. Like so. Now you just have to kind of sew on with red threads and kind of hide those. Then you're pretty much done with the teeth, and then you just have to do the other side. So you're just gonna make sew this on off the camera and make the other side off camera, and then I come back to you when I'm done. So yeah. So yeah, I've done both sides and tighten up the back so it looks a little bit more nicer. And that's pretty much all for this video. And if you have any comments or you feel unsure about how this was made, feel like to leave a comment, and maybe I'm gonna take it up in the next video on anything. So yeah, and the zipper was working fine. So yeah, that's about all for this video. So bye.